Hey, today we are in Golf MK7 with MIB2 infotainment system, and I'm going to show you how to disable or enable this little button over here in the glove box, this button that when pressed will eject the compact disc. So for some reason, if you want to lock the CD inside, you can do this. Maybe you are leaving your car in a garage, or maybe you are renting your car to somebody and you don't want them to remove the disc and you don't want to take your disc home with you. So you can do this. All you need is OBD11 or VCDS or other software that's capable of changing coding and adaptation values in Volkswagen cars. We are going to log into module 5F, which is head unit of the infotainment system. And when we are logged in over here, we are going to adaptation. And there's an adaptation channel called CD eject button. So let's go over here. It's enabled, so let's switch it to blocked. OK, press and hold over here. New value is saved. So right now, if I'm correct, this does not work anymore. And the CD is locked. So let's unlock it. Enabled. OK, press and hold. Done. And right now it's working again. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. See you soon.